Looks like a brown. It's pretty decent. Oh yeah, ooh, there's a good fish. There's one. Well, welcome to another outdoor video. It's a beautiful day here in May. Today I'm going to be fishing a few different brooks. It's our first time out fishing for brook trout this year. I'm looking forward to getting out there. I'll be casting some lures. I have, I think, Meps, rooster tail, and I have worms that I'm going to be casting as well. And hopefully we can catch some fish. Hopefully you can join me. Check out some fishing spots here. Just talking to a fisherman. He said he caught a few brook trout, so sounds promising. Oh yeah, this looks like a sweet spot. Nice pool. Should be holding a few fish. All right, for starters, I'm going to try this orange rooster tail. Let's give it a shot. Had a hit. Had one. Had a hit. There was a big rock right there. Came out from under the rock. See if we can get him. Right by the, just had a hit again. Hanging out right by that big boulder. Give this spot a rest. Try over here. Well, a few bites, but nothing yet. I think I'm gonna go to worms. All right. Try a worm here, something different they haven't seen yet. Maybe that'll entice something. This, ooh, looks like a decent fish. On a worm here. What do we got here? Looks like a brown. Ooh, oh! I just dropped him. It's a decent looking brown, maybe 12, 13 inch. Right at the shore. I was about to grab my net. Ah! That I was about to drag him up on the shore. I says I better get my net, and he let go. But let's see if I can get him. Hit here. Oh, just had a hit. Where is he? Come on, come back. Fish are finicky today. All right, so I'm gonna try a different spot here. Fisherman that just pulled up told me about this spot I've never been to, so I'm gonna give that a shot and see what happens. Looks like a good fishing spot. We shall see. Definitely noisy. What's going on here? Small trout, I think. See if he comes back. All right, move on down here. This looks pretty good through here. Just had one hit right at it. All right. Gentleman earlier tipped me off to this spot, so I am gonna try it. Looks pretty good. Down here. Go easy. Go easy. Oh, don't want to break my neck. All right. Oh, this looks good through here. All right. Make a few casts. Down here a bit. Gotta be something lurking around in here. Hooked into one here. Feels pretty good. It's pretty decent. Oh yeah, looks like a rainbow. Well, that guy was right. He said they're in here. All right, come on in here. Is it a rainbow? Yes. Oh, yes. Decent rainbow. Right. Guy at the last brook said come down here, there's rainbows and brookies, and paid off. It's a decent rainbow. I think I'm gonna keep him for dinner. Definitely fishing all day. I had that one brown on. All right, so I just hooked into this rainbow, probably about 13-14 inches. Caught it on this orange rooster tail. One here on a worm. I don't know, is it a trout? Nope. Fall fish. Another fall fish. Gotta be some fish holding in here too. All right. I'm gonna give a few casts here. Bring something up. Well, sure feels great to be under this bridge in the shade. I figured there'd be some trout sitting under here, but nothing yet. Just had a hit here. Eyes right here. Let's see if I can get him. Come on. One right here. Fall fish, not a trout. Good lake trout bait though. Ah, just had a trout. I think that's a trout that hit at it. Right in that pool there. Ah, just had another hit. There's another one. Another fall fish. Gotta be some trout in there though. perch. How about that? Perch. Getting some fish here anyways. One of these is going to be a trout. You watch. There's one. Another perch. Catching fish. I want to get some trout though. Perch. Ooh, there's a good fish. Ah, that was a trout. That was definitely a trout. I could see it. Right in this pool. Ah, just had another hit. Right in this pool alongside this tree. Got a fish on here. Another perch. Picked up a fish here. Pretty, wow, big perch. That is a good sized perch. I'll try a different spot. Well, this pine has fallen since last year. Just had a hit. Oh, just had a, it's got to be a trout. There's one. Brookie. Yes. Decent brook trout. Nice looking brook trout. Slid down in there. I was gonna keep him, but there's another one under this log. Yep, just had another hit. There's another one. This one seems a little bit better. See if I can get him in the net. Another brookie. All right. Another beautiful brookie. Well, I'm gonna let him go. I got that rainbow and let him go. Two brookies in one spot. There's got to be more in here. There's one. Yep. Another decent brook trout. Nope. It is a fall fish. Got something here. Small brook trout. Look at this little brookie. Look how puny this guy is. Beautiful looking brook trout though. Get him off the hook and get him out of here. Got another one here. Had one. They're all sitting underneath this log, hiding out. Hiding out under the pine. There's one. Oh, that's like a pretty good one. Ah, he tied me up in the freaking branch. That's a pretty decent one too. Shit. Alright, let's get it back out there. He's out there, he'll hit again. Oh, there he goes. Yep, there it is. Fall Fish. I thought it was a trout. But anyways, that's what I got. Oh, I got one right here. Oh, shit. Had him on. Well, that wraps up another day of fishing. I had a great time. If you enjoyed watching this, feel free to like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Or leave a comment down below. And as always, enjoy the outdoors. I'll see you on the next adventure, and good luck.